those movies?
Ernest.
Ernest is scared stupid. Ooh.
What other ones do you have in there?
It's 3 Ernest movies.
Muppet movie. Dr. Seuss.
You got this for me?
Nope. It's to borrow. No, I was kidding.
That's 3 Ernest movies on that one.
Yeah.
This goes to Kale. I got
Anyways, open the other ones, honey.
Which is awesome.
Nope. Not that either.
I'm sure you do.
Are you sure?